Good day, everyone, and welcome to Home Online Maths Education. Now, today we'll be talking about the same rational numbers, but wait, don't go anywhere. These rational numbers now, I'm going to show you how to actually represent any kind of digit given to you on a number line. So, even if it's a fraction, even if it's a decimal, you don't have to bother yourself at all. Now, let's just look for the best way to understand this. Now, normally today is not my day of uploading another tutorial, but I just have to complete what I had started. So let's move into this. We are going to write this right now, number line, so that we can be aware that we are about talking about number line. So now we're going to draw this. So in number line, how do you go about this? There are, if you are very good with your standard form, then number line should not be any trouble to you. In standard form, I usually advise a lot of students that if they are sure they really want to succeed well in standard form, they should always have in their mind this ID. We know ID means identity card. So I usually call my I the increase and I call my D decrease. So normally in standard form, if you think you want to increase your numbers, when you move to the left, it increases, and when you move to the right, it decreases. But as for number line, is the exact opposite. So if you are lost, you can use this standard form to help direct you. So in short, for number line, we are just going to turn it the other way around. Instead of ID, it's going to be DI. So, which means at the middle we have our 0. Then, so at this point, now we have our 0 here. What are we going to do? Like I said, DI. So over here now is going to be our decrease. So we have -1. Here we have -2. Here we have -3. Here we have -4. And going, it keeps counting like that. Here we have 1. Here 2. Here 3. Here 4. Here 5. And so on. So now probably you are giving a digit like -5 less than or equals to -3. You're giving something like this. Let us add this x ratio x then equals -5 less than or equals to -3. If you're giving something like this, then I think we're going to stretch this a little bit further. Over here now we have -5. So what are we going to do? When we have our -5, then let's draw a circle over here. We know that whenever we have a less than sign, then that means that the number that has been called or that has been written before that less than sign is not going to be included in whatever you're doing. But once the equal to sign is involved, then that means that that number is included. In short, we can see that we have -5 less than or equal to -3. So since we have this less than or equal to sign, then it means the -5 is included. So we are going to shade this. Then extend a line this way, draw a circle here, and shade this part. So that is just it on number line. Then example, if you are giving another example like x ratio x equals -1 less than 5. Okay, if you're given something like this, how do we go about it? So this is our -1. Now at this point, do not forget what I said. We are going to draw a circle here now. But one thing you must consider is this, that the open circle means that the number that open circle is on top of is not going to be part. of whatever we're doing. So it means now that over here, since we don't have it to be less than or equal to sign, then it means that the negative one is not included. We just have less than, so which means negative one is not included. And since negative one is not included, that's why we have an open circle here. So we are not going to close this circle. Now we are going to draw the line and get to 5. And then at this point, okay, yes, we are going to leave an open circle here as well, because it is less than 5. It is not equal to 5. So open circle on this side, open circle on the other side. Now this is just a little or a brief video that I needed to do about these rational numbers, trying to put the numbers given to you on a number line. So but if you still don't understand, please, you can always chat me in the number you are seeing right now on the screen. You connect with me and I'll try to make a better and a longer video on how to solve number line questions. So but meanwhile, this is the brief video that I want to do about rational numbers. I hope you understand. Do not forget to like and subscribe, click the notification bell, and try to share to your friends. There might be someone who might need this. So thank you for your time. I'll be seeing you on my next video.